Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 most accurate 16-line laser levels for construction DIY projects. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Ad number 5. 8/12/16 lines 4D laser level 360 degrees. Achieve precise measurements with this laser level featuring 360 degrees horizontal and vertical cross green lines. It is equipped with auto self-leveling technology and remote control for ease of use. This tool is perfect for construction tasks, ensuring high accuracy on any surface. The advantages of this laser level are 360 degrees coverage for versatile applications. Auto self-leveling feature saves time. The disadvantages of this laser level are limited battery life. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. LFINE Laser Levels 4D 16 lines. The LFINE laser level offers 4D functionality with 16 green laser lines for horizontal and vertical alignment. It comes with a remote control and self-leveling capability, allowing for precise and quick setups in construction projects. The advantages of this 16-line laser level are 16 lines for comprehensive coverage. Remote control enhances ease of use. Self-leveling reduces manual adjustments. The disadvantages of this 16-line laser level are green beam may fade in direct sunlight. Bulky design for handheld use. At number 3. Huepar 4D 16 lines cross-line laser level. Huepar's 4D laser level provides a green beam laser with 16 lines for multi-directional leveling. Equipped with a LFINE battery and remote control, it's ideal for tile and floor installations, offering precision and efficiency. The advantages of this 16-line laser level are LFINE battery for extended usage, multifunctional for various tasks, powerful green beam for clear visibility. The disadvantages of this 16-line laser level are requires frequent recalibration in uneven areas. Heavier than similar models. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Hilda Laser Level 16 lines 4D self-leveling. The Hilda 16-line laser level is designed for professional use, offering 360 degrees horizontal and vertical alignment with a super powerful green laser beam. It features auto self-leveling and ensures precision on both large and small projects. The advantages of this 16-line laser level are extremely bright green laser beam, 360 degrees functionality for wide coverage, auto-leveling mechanism. The disadvantages of this 16-line laser level are higher power consumption, limited to indoor use due to beam strength. At number 1. Clubiona 16/12 lines laser level. This Clubiona laser level provides both 16 and 12 green lines, with a 360 degrees self-leveling feature. It's perfect for horizontal and vertical alignment tasks, offering a powerful green beam for accurate leveling even in challenging conditions. The advantages of this 16-line laser level are 16/12 line options for versatile use, bright green beam for improved visibility, 360 degrees self-leveling for precise measurements. The disadvantages of this 16-line laser level are not ideal for outdoor use in strong sunlight.